Good morning, everyone. It's Cindy with Cresin Project. It's been a couple days since I've posted last. I wasn't really doing too much, just trying to get organized for the event that's coming up and not too far away, March 15th, and it's March 6th, so 9 days away. I've been doing just some small pieces that maybe people would want to buy for, Mother's Day gifts or just little things. I got this bird mold, and yesterday I made one using rose quartz and amethyst stones that I had. Today I'm going to do another one using some more stones that I have here set up. That's pretty much all I'm going to be doing. So feel free to like and subscribe, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Hey everyone, so just letting you see what I made today. Like I said, I made another one of the birds that's similar to this one that I made yesterday. This one has amethyst stones and rose quartz in it, and then so I made this one. And then I made another ring holder, which is similar to this one that I made yesterday as well. Has the same stones, rose quartz and amethyst. It has some other stones in there as well, just to fill up the space. So I like how that turned out. I had some leftover resin, so I made some more bangles with glitter, 2 of them, a faceted one and just a regular smooth one. And I made these gemstones, I believe they're called. So we'll see how they turned out. And then what I had left over, I poured in my pyramid that I've been adding leftover resin from my works. Similar to the other pyramid that I made. So that's it for today, If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day. Morning everyone. Just a follow-up video. This is the bird I did yesterday. Turned out super cute. I love it. So now I have 2 of them. I'm thinking about doing another one with some rose petals that I have. See how it turns out. This is the ring holder I made that's similar to the one that I made the other day as well. I think I like it a lot better. I do like both of them though. Here's the little crystals that I made. A lot of bubbles, so I'm not too happy with those. Next time I think that I'll spray the inside with some alcohol. That should clear it up a little bit, hopefully. And the 2 bangles that I made as well. So yeah, I'm gonna do some manatees today. I had a friend who came over yesterday, so we kind of own a manatee tour business. Well, my boyfriend owns it. He's one of the owners. So I make little manatees that they can sell at the shop, and they let us know that they were out and was hoping that I would make some more. So I'm going to start doing that again. So hopefully everyone has a great Friday, and I will follow up again later. All right, bye-bye.